Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today is my birthday, January 28th, and I just wanted to do an intro on my birthday and my and my birthday makeup and my birthday outfit. I wore like blue and gold, blue and rose gold, stuff like that, and my blingy bracelet. But anyway, I wanted to do the intro for my Valentine's Day tablescape. What I wanted to do, because I loved my Christmas tablescape and I loved the way it came out, so I wanted to try to challenge myself to switch my Christmas tablescape over to my Valentine's tablescape without changing a whole lot of stuff. So if you want to see how I change my Christmas tablescape, I got a brain freeze. My Christmas tablescape from my Christmas tablescape to my Valentine's tablescape, then just keep watching, guys. And I love you. We're almost at 30,000 subscribers. I can't believe this. A little over a year ago I started this journey and I did not know what to expect, and all of you guys have opened your arms to me and embraced me and challenged me to come up with new things, support me. I see you, Miss D. But support me and pray over me and all those things that you do. Even the dislikers, I'm just calling them dislikers, I thank you as well, because you keep me motivated to keep pushing forward and don't allow all your negativity to rub off on moi. So with that being said, I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Okay fam, so before we go and do the Valentine's Day tablescape, I wanted to let you see how the Christmas tablescape is set up. You know, we have the alternate version of the gemmed charger. We have the silver mirror effect saucer. We have the clear bowl, and we have a little blinged out present in here. We had the napkin with the white clusters of crystals and diamond in the middle, and then we had the matching lap thing with the wine glass and the main drink glass. I want to include a clip right here of what the as you can see what the table looked like for Christmas. You see all the deer and everything, and we're just going to show you with minimum work how you can change this tablescape over to the Valentine's Day tablescape. So stay tuned, we're getting right into it. Okay fam, so we're going to concentrate on the table setting first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away the white lap towel and the regular towel, and I'm going to take away the gift, of course. I'm going to remove the mirror saucer, and I'm going to take this off. And so now we're left with this right here with the plate and the saucer. I mean the plate and the bowl. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the stuff to set this up so you can see that it takes minimum change. So give me a minute. So you see I have the two silver runners, bling runners, down on each side of the table. So what I'm going to do is just pull that back out of the way. So I pulled that back. So the first layer I'm going to put back up here, something different, is I'm going to add a red and silver table mat. So after that, I'm going to remove this for a second, and I'm going to put the original version of the crystal table charger here, and I'm going to put the plate and the bowl back on top, and then I'm going to go in with a red salsa that I made with the Dollar Tree plate and some Mod Podge, what you call it stuff, Mod Podge tint paint. And so we're going to put that right there. That's going to add us some more red. Then I'm going to take plain white napkins and the crystal table napkin rings, the red ones, and we're just going to simply do a simple napkin. So we're going to take one of the Dollar Tree hearts, little hearts, and we're going to take our mirrored coaster and put that heart right there. So that's our place setting for the Valentine's Day tablescape. So let me zoom in for you guys so you can see everything. So everything on that place setting, with the exception of the mat and the little silver thing that's up under here, the little silver pizza pan that we all found to put on the original ones, is from the Dollar Tree. So you really haven't spent much, and you have a beautiful Valentine's Day table setting. And so now we're going to go on to the center of the table. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you what I have in the middle so far, because I want you to be able to see the layers. So this is the first layer. Okay guys, so this is our basic setup of the table. So now we're going to do the center of the table, and I'm going to time lapse that and then come back in the end and show you everything. I'm going to leave us with this view right here with just the floodlight on. And guys, I truly hope that on your special day that you will be able to use some, if not all of this setup for your romantic evening or just for decor purposes. And Like I said, everything came from the Dollar Tree with the exception of the napkin rings, which let me give you a close up of those. The napkin rings and the napkins. Everything else, guys, came from the Dollar Tree. Even down to the red bulb things that went in here with the lights. And also I was saying that since you have the silver in here, then you can even take the Dollar Tree napkin rings and put around your napkin or your paper napkin, and then your complete setup would be Dollar Tree. So I just want you to see that you can change your table with a little bit from Christmas to Valentine's Day and not break the bank doing it. So don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye bye.